Next property is electronegativity, which is exactly reverse of electropositivity. So electronegativity means gaining of electron, which is a characteristic property of non-metals. So non-metal belongs to group 15, group 16 and group 17. So in order to complete octet, all the elements of group 15 accepts 3 electron, all the elements of group 16 accepts 2 electron and all the elements of a group 17 accepts 1 electron, as they have 5, 6 and 7 electron in their last shell. So they require this many number of electrons to complete their octet. Okay. So it is very simple to understand. It is very easier to gain 1 electron than gaining 2 and then gaining 3. So those who gain 1 electron, they reacts very fastly as compared to the rest 2. So as we move from left to right in a modern periodic table, the electronegativity increases. It required more energy to accept 3 electron than accepting 2 electron and accepting 1 electron. So those who accepts 1 electron, they reacts more fastly. So electronegativity means accepting electron. So it increases as we move from left to right in a modern periodic table. So in period, electronegativity increases. And what about groups? In a groups we know atomic size is increases. So distance between the positive charge nucleus and the negative electron increases. So it is very easier with the atomic size smaller to accept the electron because distance between the positive nucleus and the outermost shell is very short. So when such an atom accepts electron, it get attracted towards the nucleus very fastly than the atom with a bigger atomic size. So those who are shorter, they are highly electronegative. And the atom with a bigger atomic size is less or least electronegative. So as we move down in a group, the electronegativity decreases. It decreases because atomic size increases. So the distance between positive nucleus and the outermost electron also increases. So it is difficult for such an atom to accept the electron easily. It is difficult for atom with a bigger atomic size to accept the electron easily, while the atom with a smaller atomic size can accept the electron very fastly. So this is highest electronegative and this is the least electronegative. So as we move down in a group, the atomic size decreases. So in a group, atomic size decreases.